Students, in this video we will do rest of the definitions of chapter 11, geometrical shapes. Here is circle. What is circle? Circle is a closed curve whose every point is equidistant from a fixed point in its interior. What does this mean? It means this is a circle. Suppose I have taken 2 points on the circle, point A and point B. Distance of point A from this point, this is the fixed point. Distance of point A from the fixed point in the interior of the circle is same as the distance of second point from the interior of the circle. Means both these points are at equal distance from the point, fixed point inside the circle. In daily life, we come across many things, many shapes which are which resemble circle. For example, bangle, it is a circle. Coin, it is a circle. Now, few elements of the circle means few terms that are related to circle. First is center. What is center of the circle? Center is the point where we keep the needle-like end of the compass to draw the circle. It is a point inside the circle. Suppose this is compass and this is the needle-like end. This is the needle-like end or sharp end of the circle. I have to draw the circle. I will keep this needle-like end at this point. The point at which I have kept needle-like end of the circle is known as center of the circle. Means I have marked this point O. O is the center of the circle. It is the needle-like point where I have kept my compass. Where I have kept my compass to draw the circle. Next term is radius. What is radius? Radius is the line joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle. I have drawn this circle. I have drawn circle by keeping the compass at this point. It means this is the center of the circle. Now what is radius? Suppose I have taken any point on the circle. This is point A. I have taken this point on the circle. When I will join this point with center, the line joining the point is known as radius. OA, this is the radius. Now I am taking another point B. If I join B, this point, to again with center OB, this will also be a radius. These are the points, A and B are the points on the circle, means on the boundary of the circle, and O is the center of the circle. Line joining the center to point on the circle is known as radius of the circle. OA, OB, similarly we can draw more radii. OC, OD, these are all radii. Radii is plural of radius, and all the radii of one circle, same circle, are equal. Next term is diameter. What is diameter? It is a line passing through the center of the circle. Means this line passes through the center of the circle and its endpoints are on the circle. This line is having 2 endpoints. Radius was having 1 endpoint, but diameter is having 2 endpoints, and this line passes through the center. Again, this is circle. This is center of the circle. I have kept my compass at this point to draw the circle. Now I have taken 2 endpoints, A and point B. These 2 points, line joining these 2 points and passing through the center. This is the line. It is known as diameter of the circle. Again, C, D. I have taken 2 another points. I will join these points again in a straight line such that these points, suppose this is D, such that these points this line passes through the center. It is also known as diameter. Suppose I have taken, this is E and this is F. When I join EF in such a way that it passes through center, this will also form diameter of the circle. Okay. Now, all the diameter of same circle are equal. All the diameters of same circle are equal. Diameters can be more than 1. Okay. AB is equal to EF is equal to CD. All the diameters are equal. Next term is, what is the relationship between radius and diameter? Diameter, as we know, is larger line and radius is smaller line. Diameter is double the radius. Diameter is 2 times the radius. Suppose this is circle, this is its center. If I am going to draw only radius, OA, it is the radius. If I double it, means join it with another radius, OB. This is radius, this is radius. When I join 2 radii, it will become diameter, and this line is passing through the center. Diameter of the circle is 2 times radius, and if we are given radius and we have to find out, if we are given diameter and we have to find out radius, then we will half the diameter. Means radius is diameter divided by 2. Next term is chord. What is chord? It is a line segment whose endpoints are on the circle. Endpoints are on the circle. But what is the difference between diameter and chord? Chord may or may not pass through the center of the circle. I am again explaining by drawing. This is a circle. This is center of the circle. Suppose I have taken 2 points, P and Q. These are the 2 points. These points are lying on the circumference of the circle. When I join these points, this will form chord of the circle. PQ is the chord. Again, A and B are the 2 points. When I join AB, it will form chord. Again, C and D are the 2 points. When I join CD, it will form a chord. Now, look carefully. CD is passing through the center. It is also diameter. It means diameter is also the chord of the circle. In fact, diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Okay. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Chords of the same circle may be equal or may not be equal. Now, what is arc? Arc is any part of the circle. Small part of the circle is known as arc. This is circle, only this much part. This is arc. AB is arc. PQ, this is arc. QR, this is arc. PR, this is arc. And all these are parts of the circle. Now, next is semicircle. What is semicircle? Semicircle is, semi means half. Half of the circle is known as semicircle. Suppose this is circle. I have drawn a diameter of it. Diameter has divided the circle into 2 equal halves. This is upper half, this is lower half. In the same way, if I draw it this way, it will be this half and this half. These all are semicircles, and 2 semicircles are of equal length. Now, what is circumference of the circle? Circumference is length of boundary. This is circle. This is the boundary of the circle. Outline. This is the boundary of the circle. And length of this whole boundary is known as circumference of the circle. Thank you.